So hello everyone, my name is Debasish and I'm going to start a series. So in this series I'll be completing all the PIQs for Npsc and Nssb in this upcoming 1 month, or you can say 2 months. So today's class will be on number series. So I included all the PIQs from 2024 to 2010. So let's start. Okay, we'll start with number series. That's a topic of reasoning, and after this reasoning topics we'll move to mathematics, that is quant topic, then DIs, statistics and all. Okay, we'll start with this question first. See, there is a series called 15. See this, let me select. Okay, there's 15 and then a question mark, 24, 33, 97, 122. What will be there in the question mark? So if I write the question again, it's 15, just a second, then 24, actually there is a question mark, then 24, then 33, and then 97, and then 122. Okay, see, most of the number series questions now are related to squares and cubes. Okay, if you didn't see any squares and cube related things in the numbers, you should try the difference between them. Okay, first to see these numbers are related to squares or cubes or something like multiplication or something. If you didn't find any of this lead or hint, then go to the difference. See the difference between the numbers. See, if I see there is 24 and 33, what is the difference? You will say, sir, the difference is 9. I know. And 33 and 97, the difference is yours 64. Okay, 91 and 122, sorry, 97 and 122, the difference is 25. Okay, now see these numbers carefully. See this number 99, 64 and 25. Can you 9, that is a square of 3. 64, that is a cube of 4, and 25, that is the square of 5. See the pattern, 3 4 5. So I can say this 9 is the square of 3, and 64, this is the square of, sorry, this is the cube of 4, and 25, this is the square of 5. So this is, see, this is a pattern, 3 4 5. So definitely previous one will be your 2 cube, है ना, देखो 2 cube, 3 square, 4 cube. So definitely the difference has to be 8, है कि नहीं? Difference has to be 8. So if the difference has to be 8, then 24 difference 8, the number should be 16, because 16 and 24, the difference is 8. Why we wrote 2 cube? Because there is a pattern, 2 cube, 3 square, 4 cube, 5 square. So the 8 will be the difference, and 16 will be the number. So your answer will be 16, that is number D. Chalo, next question. Okay, see, this is a chart, you can say, and there is a missing number, this number is missing. So what we have to do here, देखो 2 1 3 in the first row, see, first column 2 1 3, then 4 2 1, then 0 4 3, and this 2 1 3, how they are related to 36? How they are related to 36? Just imagine. देखो 2 1 3, how they are related to 36? देखो if I say ना, सबका ना क्यूब कर दो आप. Okay, देखो if I say 2 cube, what you will get? 2 cube, just a second, 2 cube, you will say, sir, 8. If I say 1 cube, you will say, sir, that is 1. If I say 3 cube, you will say, sir, 27. And now add everything, 27, 1 and 8. The answer is 36, this one. Similarly, if you see this one, 0 cube means 0, 4 cube means that is 64, okay, and 3 cube means your, that is 27. Now add everything, 20, 64, 27. So if you add 64 and 27, you will get 91. So this is the pattern. They are just doing the cubes of the number and adding. So 4 cube, देखो 4 cube just a second, 4 cube, 2 cube and 1 cube. So 4 cube means your 64 and 2 cube means your 8 and 1 cube means your 1. So if you add everything, that will, sorry, this is 1. So 64, 8 and 1, that is your 73. 73. I hope you understood this. And this is your PYQ question, okay, from Npsc 2022. So I included all the Npsc and Nssb questions here. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, this I will leave as a homework. Chalo, next. Okay, this one I'll solve, but later on. If I solve this one, then the video will be like easy question, hard question, easy question, hard question, easy question, moderate. But how I want to shoot this video, easy, 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 moderate, 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 then hard, 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 like this. So this is kind of hard question, so I'll solve this question later on, okay, in this video only. Okay, chalo, this is kind of, I can say easy question, but something tricky here. Dekho, a number similar to n square minus 1 by n square minus n square plus 2 among the following is, अब देखो n square minus 1, n square minus 1, it means definitely देखो n is a perfect square, sorry, n square will be a perfect square number. Okay, now check all of this number, 302, 299, sorry, 298, 224 and 226. Which one is close to perfect square number? You will say, sir, 224 and 225 is close to perfect square number. Why? Because we know 15 square equals to 225. Now you have to think n is yours 15. Just imagine n is your 15. So n square, ऊपर में क्या है? Denominator, sorry, ऊपर वाला call numerator. So n, just imagine n is your 15 square minus 1. Okay, and नीचे में 15 square plus 1. So the answer will be 225 minus 1 here, 225 plus 1. So this is your 224 by 226. So your answer should be this one, A, number A. Number A will be your answer. Now you must be thinking, sir, how you got to know this is 15? I just analyze all the numbers. Which number is closest to a perfect square number? I can see 224 and 226, and when I thought that 224 is close to 15, so I just kept 15 as a n. This is simple. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, this is also an interesting question. Okay, now closely observe the fractions. Achha, first read the question. If the following sequence follows definite pattern, okay, definite pattern, okay, ठीक है ना? Then x plus y will be what? देखो, see the pattern. First 3 by 5, then x, then y. So x will be a fraction, y also will be a fraction, and then 38 by 40, then 78 by 80, and 158 by 60. See the pattern. देखो, 38 by 40, after that 78 by 80. So what happened there? देखो, 40 to 80 हो गया है ना, देखो 40 to 80 हो गया है. It means just multiply 2 हुआ है ना? Then 80 to 160, what happened there? Again just multiply by 2. So definitely here 3 by 5, if you want to go to x, okay, x is a fraction and y is also a fraction. So x के नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? 10 आ जाएगा, 10, 10. Why? Because we have to multiply with 2. This is the pattern. Okay, now see. Now we'll do how we got 78. देखो, 40 to 80 तो we got that multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2. But 78 कैसे आ गया ना? देखो, इन दोनों को ही प्लस कर दिया है, इतना ईजी है. देखो 38 and 40, they just added them, 38 and 40, this is how they got 78. 158, देखो 78 and 80, they just added them and they got 158. Similarly, if you want to write here the numerator 3 plus 5, that is 8. So this will be 8. Okay, after that y का data will be 10's double नीचे में, that is 20. Okay, 20. ऊपर में that is yours 10 plus 8, that is 18. So now we got x equals to 8 by 10 and y equals to that is your 18 by 20. ठीक है ना, 18 by 20. Now see, just a second, give me a second. Okay, देखो, and they are saying x plus y, so add कर दो इनको. 8 by 10 plus 18 by 20. So the LCM is 20. Here 16 plus 18, that is your 34 by 20. 34 by 20 means 17 by 10. Okay, if you divide this one by 2, so 17 by 10 is correct answer. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. हाँ, ठीक है ना. चलो, next question. Okay, this is also kind of hard question, so this is not hard, this is moderate, so I'll solve in the middle of the video. Okay, easy question. 5 is to 130, and then this is a pattern. Okay, it is not a ratio question, but this is a pattern. They're saying that 5 and 130, how they are related. Okay, so they're saying there is another number 350, how this number will be related. ऐसा होगा ना. चलो, just a second. They are saying that 5 is related to 130 and there is another number that is 350. How, which number will be related to 350? And the similar way, now see, if I say I just did 5's cube, okay, and I added 5, this is the pattern. So 5 cube means 125 and plus 5, that is 130. Okay, so number series and all this is basically square and cube mostly. Okay, so this is how we got 130. So from the options, which options should I choose? देखो 6 का cube 216, 6 cube is 216, not close. 3 cube is 27, not close. 2 cube is 8. So remaining one is 7. 7 का देख लो. So how to get 350? 7's cube equals 7 cube plus 7. So this is 343 plus 7, that is your 350. So 350 आ गया ना, so your answer will be 7. Okay, just cube and add with the number, basic. Now this is this question is not a missing number question. This is, they are saying find the odd one out from the following. This is 2018 Npsc question, easy one, easy. See, I'm writing the question again. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 200 and 340. This one is easy. I don't have to do na. देखो, all of the numbers, see closely. If you don't know the squares and cubes, just stop the video and go and remember the squares and cubes. Otherwise, no point of watching this video because you can't understand anything. You have to remember, you have to do your basics first. Basic means foundation. How to do addition, how to do multiplication, what are the tables, what is fraction, and what is squares and cubes. These are the basic. You have to understand. Now see, if you see the numbers, 1, this is the cube of 1. If you see 8, this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube, 27, this is 4 cube, this is 5 cube, but 200 is not a perfect cube number. 343, this is the cube of 7. So this is the odd one. 200 is the odd one. Okay, 200. So answer is B. Easy one here. Chalo, next question. Okay, complete the series. Okay, I'm writing the question again. That is 240, 120, 40 and 10 and then dot. Now see what happened there na. 240 became 120, 120 became 40, 40 became 10. कैसे हो गया? This series continues. तो क्या हो गया ना, देखो 240 to 120 they just divide by 2. So this is 120. 120 to 40 they just divide 120 by 3. देखो the pattern 2 3. Now 40 to 10, what happened there na? They just divide 40 by 4. See the pattern. First they divided by 2, second they divided by 3, third they divided by 4. So in next one they will divide by 5. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So your answer will be 2. ठीक है ना? Easy one. चलो I don't even have to solve ना. चलो next. Okay, yeah, I can see this question. So 2, 12, 30, 56 and 90, what will be there? Okay, interesting question. Okay, chalo, I forgot how to solve now, but let's see. 2, 12, 30, 56 and 90. 56 है ना? Okay, 56 and 90 and dot 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 dot. Now see, these numbers are close to perfect square number. Yes, 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 I can see something here. This is a very interesting question. Okay, I can see something here. देखो, close to perfect square number, how? If I compare this two, देखो, I can write one. देखो, I can write okay, हो जाएगा, इससे भी हो जाएगा. Possible? Yes. Just try. 1 square, नहीं 1 cube. चलो 1 cube plus 1. Okay. ऐसे भी हो जाएगा. I'll give you two methods, okay, to solve this question. So 1 cube plus 1. If I write the 12, देखो 12 को अगर लिखेगा ना तो ऐसे लिख सकता है. Okay, that is 3, then 4. Okay, not possible. चलो, this way not possible. Try again. So 2, so देखो, in exam hall this is the real pressure you will handle. You will try to solve this way, but sometimes you won't get the answer. Okay, so again you have to change your method. Okay, so 2, 12, 30, 56 and 90. Now see the difference. See the difference. The difference here is 10. The difference here is 18, and the difference here is 26, and the difference here is 34. Now see their difference again. See the difference ka difference, that is 8, here also 8 and here also 8. See the difference. So here kuch to aayega re, and here the difference would be 8. Okay, so 34 and difference 8, definitely the number is 42, and 90 and difference 42, so definitely the number is 132. So the number is 132. Okay, got it? समझ में आ गया? देखो, we just got the difference 10, 18, 26, 34. Then we just did the difference का difference 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. This series going on 8, 8, 8, 8 like this. So after that, just easy, just calculate plus and minus. Okay, chalo. Next. Okay. Okay, chalo, this one kind of easy, or if they gave none of this, now that's why it became hard. Okay, but it's easy. Dekho, I'm writing the question again. A1, C3, F7, J13. Now see this. They have all the numbers. Just compare with the numbers first. 1, 3, 7 and 13. है ना? 1, 3, 7 and 13. Now क्या हो रहा है ना, देखो, these all are अच्छा 1, 3, 7, 13. So next number should be your, this is, the difference here is 2, the difference here is 4, and the difference here is 6. देखो, 2, 4, 6 is a pattern again. So the next pattern will be 8. देखो, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 13 plus 8, that is 21. So you need a number that has, you need a option that has 21. So the option should be O21. O21. But you can't sure. Why? Because now you have to check the alphabets also. Okay. A, C, F, J, O. Are they verifying? देखो, first to write A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. चलो, देखो, A. First is A. Then they are saying C. Okay. Then F. Okay. Then J. Okay. And then they are saying O. कैसे हो गया ना, देखो, see the difference between them. first the difference is only one, then the difference is only 2, then the difference is only 3, देखो 3 alphabets, then the difference is 1 2 3 and 4. So O is correct, so C is your correct answer. C is your correct answer. Chalo. Okay, this is kind of easy, but if you are not verifying the alphabet also, there will be a second thought, na, the answer was right or wrong, because there was none of this also. Okay, chalo. Next, a easy one. Do I have to solve? They're saying 728 is related to 9, then 511 will be related to what? They go, see this, 9's cube, if I say 9's cube, the answer is your 7, the answer is your 7, just a second, 7 to 9. They just wrote one less. So definitely which one iska jada 512. And if you do 8's cube, you will get 512. 512. 512. And इसका एक कम करके लिखना होगा, that is 511. So definitely the answer will be 8, because 8's cube will be 512 and minus 1, that is 511. Easy. Chalo. Yeah, reasoning is easy for Npsc and Nssb, but mathematics, that is quant, is hard. Okay, so just wait. Easy again. As 4 is related to 17, then 20 will be what? Very easy, hai na? Because they just did 4 square plus 1, that is 17. 4 square means 16 plus 1, that is 17. So you have to do 20 square plus 1. It means 400 plus 1, that is 401. 401 is the answer. Okay, so which one is the answer? Chalo, next question. Okay, now interesting. Okay, these there is a gap. See, there is a gap. You have to fill the gap, and all the circles has 3 numbers, and they are related to each other. How they are related? देखो, 2, 3 and 13. How they are related? ना, आप ना इसका square करो. If you are doing the square, and if you are doing the square, so 2 square means 4, and 3 square means 9. If you add 4 and 9, it will be 13. देखो, 4 square and 5 square. 4 square means 16 and 5 square means 25. If we add both of them, we will get 41. There's 7 square and 6 square. So 7 square means yours 49 and 6 square means 36. If we add both of them, it will be 85. So now see, 4 square here, you have to do 4 square here, that is 16. And to make 25, you need 9. And 9 is the square of 3. 9 is the square of 3. So the answer will be 3. Chalo, it is the answer. It's easy. Easy one. Chalo, next question. Acha, this is not your CSET question. Okay, this is computer. Binary and all. Okay. Chalo, next. Nice question, na? Very nice question. They are saying find the odd one out from the following sequence. Let me write it again. 24, 120, then it should be 210, then 334, and then 504. Which one is odd? I can see 334 is odd. How? Kaise? Dekho, they just, acha, what I mentioned before, that number series is mostly 50% is related to squares and cubes. Apart from that, sometimes it related to multiplication or division, and then it related to difference, nothing else. Okay, now see, just see the number 24. So 24 कैसे हो सकता है? How we can get 24? And this 24 looks like it's close to a perfect cube number or perfect square number, as anything you can say. So 120 is also close to perfect cube number, 210 is also close to a perfect cube number, 504 also close to a perfect cube number. How? देखो, if I say 3 cube minus 3, 3 cube means 27 minus 3, that is 24. How we can get, this is how we can get 24. 125 देखो 5 cube minus 5, 5 cube means 125 minus 5, that is 120. 216 देखो 6 cube minus 6, 6 cube means 216 minus 6, that is 210. देखो here 8 cube minus 8, 8 cube means 512 minus 8, that is 504. But here it should be 7 cube minus 7, and 7 cube means 343 minus 7, that is yours 336, but 343 is written, so definitely the odd one is 343. Okay, so this video is getting longer, so we'll solve the remaining questions in the second part. Okay, so I don't want to make the video more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, so see you in the next video.